Taste of Qatar. Authentic Qatari Margoog recipe. Subscribe and like for a culinary adventure. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the vibrant flavors of Qatar. Today, we're going to share with you the secrets of making an authentic Qatari Margoog. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Qatar. Quote, to create this delightful Qatari Margoog, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 500 grams of lamb or chicken, cut into pieces, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 onion, finely chopped 4 cloves of garlic, minced 2 tomatoes, diced, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of Baharat spice blend, a mixture of cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, nutmeg, and black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, salt to taste, 2 cups of water or broth, 2 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and cubed, 2 medium-sized zucchini, sliced, fresh cilantro or parsley, chopped, for garnish. Now, let's explore the flavors of Qatar. Quote, Step 1. In a large pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they become soft and golden. Step 2. Add the meat to the pot and brown it on all sides. This will help develop rich flavors and create a flavorful base for the margoog. Step 3. Add the diced tomatoes and tomato paste to the pot. Stirring everything together, allow the mixture to cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes break down and release their juices. Step 4. Add the Baharat spice blend, ground cumin, ground coriander, and ground turmeric to the pot. Stir well to incorporate the aromatic spices into the margoog. Step 5. Season with salt to taste and pour in the water or broth to create a flavorful broth for the margoog. Step 6. Add the cubed potatoes and sliced zucchini to the pot, distributing them evenly. These vegetables will add texture and flavor to the dish. Step 7. Allow the margoog to simmer on low heat for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the meat is tender and the flavors have melded together. Stir occasionally and adjust the seasoning if needed. Step 8. Once the margoog is cooked to perfection, remove it from the heat. Garnish it with a sprinkle of chopped cilantro or parsley for a fresh touch. And there you have it, Qatari Margoog, a hearty and aromatic dish that represents the flavors of Qatar. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey to Qatar. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Qatari Margoog. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, sautéing and happy cooking. Quote,